How to use GoodRx Care Telehealth. To use the GoodRx's Care Telehealth, first of all, launch any web browser of your choice, then head to the GoodRx Care online clinic. Once you find the official site, go ahead and tap on this, then log into your account. Once you've logged in, select your medical condition by refilling the existing prescriptions, certain illness, or routine screenings. Want to select any of these options? All you have to do is complete the virtual health assessment, fill out the comprehensive digital medical intake, from detailing your current symptoms, medical history, and any known drug allergies. Proceed to upload a photo of your photo ID and legally verify your identification, as well as specific conditions requires a physical visual inspection. You simply have to upload high-resolution photos of the affected skin area. Once you go through this, pay the flat visit amount, and then a board-certified doctor or nurse practitioner licensed in your state will review your medical intake file, questionnaire, and upload the photos. Now you simply have to wait until the wait window is completed, and if they need more context, they will text you via the internal secure chat interface. You simply have to ask the follow-up questions as well. And there you go. This is how you can use the GoodRx Care Telehealth. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.